Bavaro Princess All Suites Resort Spa and Casino is situated on the famous Bavaro Beach of the Dominican Republic. Taking its place on our top 10 list of all-inclusive Caribbean resorts, the Bavaro Princess offers a wide variety of amenities and experiences. All rooms have been recently renovated and offer a private balcony or terrace and a minibar that is stocked daily. Dining is a big part of any vacation, and at the Bavaro Princess, there are plenty of delectable choices available, ensuring delicious and memorable meals with family and friends. Guests tell us that the Bavaro Princess has a superb staff who are dedicated to making sure your vacation is one to remember. Tall palm trees sway in the gentle breeze, and the sparkling ocean and white powder sands provide guests with the ultimate beach experience. Which is why our top 10 Caribbean all-inclusive resort list wouldn't be complete without the Bavaro Princess All Suites Resort Spa and Casino. To see the full list of top 10 all-inclusive Caribbean resorts along with other top 10s for 2014, go to bookit.com/top10.